Hi guys, this is Kelly and today I'm gonna do a lip swatch video for you guys, and today I want to introduce this Divas beauty makeup brand. This is by a girl that is so cute and she's from Hong Kong, and she actually is so kind to send this over to me. I really like their Power Matte lipstick. I want to show you guys and do a swatch as well. So what great about this brand is that it's actually vegan and cruelty free. So she actually sent me her Power Matte lipstick, which I enjoyed, and then this other one, it's the Lip Liquor, which I have not really tried yet. I think I'll just start off with the High Shine moisturizing one because I think this one is actually pretty interesting. Actually this brand is founded in Hong Kong by this really cute girl. I'll just link her brand as well as her handle in my description box down below so you guys can go follow her. She's an Asian entrepreneur and she's so pretty and so sweet as well. You can see her effort on her Instagram advertising, so kudos to you, girl. And then right now I'm just gonna go through you know, the texture of this lipstick as well as how it stays on my lips. Other than that, I'll just show you guys all the swatches and I'll just insert some music for you guys, so you know it will be quick and it's not too lengthy. It looks like that, and it has a major size difference from the Power Matte lip. And then she also sent me all her best-selling color, and then this one, it's called Man Eater. And then what great about this is that this lip liquor, right, it's high shine but it's non-sticky and it's very moisturizing. I'll just show you guys how it is on my hand. So you can see how moisturizing this is, and the pigmentation, it's so good as well. You can see that even if you know, it's somehow like a lip gloss kind of texture, it still has the full coverage of, you know, that this pigment, and it's just very smooth on my hand. Just doesn't crack, and I just feel that, like, you know, it's a moisturizing, fast free kind of lippy that you can just pop on your lips anytime you want. It's, you know, reflecting on light. It just gives off a very nice shine. So the other Power Matte lip, this one is in Warrior. I really love this color. I actually talked about it on my Instagram story as well. So this one, it's you know, a slimmer packaging, very slick. And then we have this color here. It's almost similar, just that it dries down to a different finish. For the Power Matte lip, I feel that this one, it's more like a satin finish, and then slowly it will dry down to a matte finish. And I feel that if you're going for something more, you know, high pigment, you want something more full coverage on your lips, and you know, something more bold, I guess the Power Matte lip is great for you. So yeah, these are the two differences in texture as well as you know, the color payoff. Yeah, I'm just gonna move on with the swatches, and without further ado, let's hop right into the swatches. So very impressed, and overall I love the shades and you know how great these lippies are. I've been actually secretly using them so often, actually almost every day to the office. I'll just like bring a whole bunch of this to the office, and sometimes I'll just like, you know, pop it on whenever I feel that my lips has no color anymore. So yep, I think I shall just try on the Lip Liquor first to show you guys you know, the shiny glossy lip, and it's so plummy as well. And then after that, we'll move on to the Power Matte lip swatches. So music start! Hey guys, so I'm done with all the lip swatches from Divas Beauty, and I love the textures. They're amazing, and please go support her. She's such a great person. Her brand is amazing, and it's vegan and cruelty free. So it's all the good stuff here in these little bottles, and the pigmentation, it's really good. It stays so long. It's pretty difficult to take it off, so please remove it with makeup remover wipes or an oil makeup remover. Yeah, it's so good, so long lasting, especially it's kiss proof as well, and if you eat greasy food like me all the time, this just doesn't budge, so it's amazing. If you guys like my video, remember to give me a thumbs up, subscribe and share with your friends as well, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye bye! Mwah, mwah, mwah.